Samsung's Galaxy S6 smartphone will offer extensive customization options via a dedicated theme store, according to a report. Users will be able to purchase and customize their own themes for the handset through the storefront, Android Pit claims. The website also says that the Galaxy S6 will include a microSD slot, fingerprint scan, UV sensor, fast charging functionality and unidirectional microphones. Samsung is said to be mulling over whether to opt for a premium metal unibody for its next flagship handset, the alternative being polycarbonate backing and a removable battery. Previous reports suggest that the Galaxy S6 will feature a 5.5-inch QHD display, a 64-bit octa-core Exynos chip, 3 GB of RAM and a 20-megapixel camera. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and to review the video. Suggestions and improvements will be very much helpful for me to uplift my working on Samsung Galaxy S6.